Surprise, it's Sunday, April 14th. And I'm talking to you, I'm coming to you today. I decided, oh my gosh, I didn't get a video done last night. I apologize. And then I realized I am going to be doing grandmother duties on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. And I won't be here to do a video. And I thought, oh, I can't just drop off the whole, digital world and not let anybody know what I was doing. So anyway, I decided, well, I'll just get on and give you a little update. What a gorgeous day today. I think it's going to be 80 plus degrees. Anyway, I am definitely going to do grandmother duty on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I will be back on Thursday. So I just wanted to keep you informed on that. I also want to remind you, don't miss the Holy Revival party. I mean, it's going to be a party. It's Sunday, April 28th from 10 to 4. You have to join us. You're going to learn how to fix those moth-eaten holes in your sweater with several different plans, how to fix the toe in that sock, how to patch your jeans, how to fix that little cashmere thing that needs a little fix, whatever. You're gonna learn how to fix those little holes. You do not have to be a seamstress. You do not have to be an artist. We're gonna give you some instruction on embroidery stitches that are not difficult, some visible mending, and some needle felting to fix those little mistakes or holes or those little moths when they fly in our closets and we swear we don't see them, right? All right, so that is coming up. You'll also get the shoulder massage, and we're going to have some meditation with Michelle again. Thank you for Michelle. And then we're going to have time. We're going to have a delicious lunch. We're going to have mimosas. It is nothing but fun. Totally fun. Spa-like day. Treat yourself. $250, but you're going to get a full rewards card, which is worth $25, and you can use that to shop in the store that day. We might even offer other discounts that day on anything that you want to shop for. You're going to meet some new people, hopefully. Join us. We need to have a full table, so join us, all right? Can you tell I really want you to come? Make a decision. Come. It'll be worth your while, I promise. Not to mention the swag bag, right? I already teased you. There's a cashmere toboggan in there, a cashmere hat, and you're going to be able to embroider that, keep it for yourself or give it away. It's a great gift. I did it for my nieces last Christmas. They loved it. All right, those are my teasers. I will not see you tomorrow. I will not see you Tuesday. I will not see you Wednesday. I will see you Thursday. Have a wonderful week. It's going to be toasty warm, I do believe. All right, and have a great rest of your Sunday. I'll see you Thursday.